Welcome everyone to this video. In this video we'll be straightening images in Photoshop like this. It's gonna be a really fun video, so let's just get right into it. So I've opened up Photoshop and I've opened up two images, and if you want to use these exact same images, the links of these images will be in the description below, so make sure you check them out. So now, how to straighten the image? We just have to go to the crop tool, and here you can see it says straighten. So we just have to click on this icon, and then we have to make a line along the edge of the object we want to straighten. So let's just make a line like this along this. It doesn't have to be exactly like precise, but somewhat like that. And then Photoshop rotates the image and then crops it for you, and then turns the image into a straight image. So basically this is how you can straighten images. There are also other ways like rotating and then cropping, but here you just have to make a line and Photoshop rotates the image and crops it for you. So it is a very easy way. Now let's do the exact same thing right here. So my crop tool, so I've opened up the crop tool, crop, let's zoom in. So like here you can see this part is straight, but this part is not straight, so I'll be making the line along this. So just one line like this, and click on this tick mark or hit enter. So here you can see it's more or less straightened, but I think we can make another line. So let's just make a line along this. So here you can see this is a very common problem that I also your image again. You have to click again on this icon. So let's click on this icon again and just make a line like this. So now let's click on this tick mark, and here you can see this image is more or less straight now. So this was it for straightening images in Photoshop, and in the next lesson we'll be looking at how to fix images using levels. It's gonna be a really fun one, so I'll meet you there.